Hello there! Have you ever had difficulty with English tenses? Did you click on this video to improve your grammatical range and accuracy for exams? Let me tell you everything you need to know about present perfect and past simple by using this little quiz. Can you pick the best option? The time here is not specific. We know exactly when. Past habitual action. This year has not finished yet. Action in the past with specific time. It started in the past and is still taking place. The subject here is not alive anymore. The past and the present are connected. This was true for some time in the past. A specific occasion, specific time. This refers to life experiences. It is still true today. It might happen again. The action is over and done. The result of a past action is relevant today. Yet means up to now. Present perfect is often used with recent news. This is old information. We commonly use already with present perfect. A series of completed actions in the past. Great job, guys! That's it for the first part of the video. Now it's time to write. Answer the following questions. Where did you go for your last vacation? What did you learn at school yesterday? What was your first memory? When was the last time you laughed really hard? Who was your first friend? What did you eat for breakfast today? What was the last thing you bought online? What was the last game you played? What did you do during the winter vacation? What was your favorite toy as a child? Love that. Now, complete the following sentences. Last year, right after I woke up this morning, when I was a kid, in elementary school, in 2023, last month, 2 weeks ago, last night, before I moved to this neighborhood, when I was younger. All right, now answer the following questions. How long have you studied English? Have you ever met a famous person? Who in your family has helped you a lot? What is the best movie you've ever seen? How many times have you checked your phone today? Have you tried anything new lately? How much time have you spent on social media this week? Have you ever had a pet? Have you ever been stopped by the police? How long have you known your closest or your best friend? Keep it up. Complete the following sentences. I've always wanted to. I've recently decided to. I've never seen. I've never been to. Have you had time to? I haven't talked to my dad since. I haven't seen my neighbors in. I have finally finished. She has prepared for. I've never met. Excellent, well done. I hope you feel more confident to use these two tenses in your speaking and writing. Type your answers in the comment section and I will check them for you. And don't forget to subscribe for future lessons that we publish every week. Happy learning!